Hey YouTube, it's Craig, the sound effects, visual effects, webcam master. And I've had a lot of my followers actually asking me, how do I get such realistic gunshot sounds on a low budget for my videos? And the answer is actually simple. You can reuse your saran wrap that you've been using. Basically, you put the saran wrap up to your mouth and you're going to form a suction and you're going to just suck in. Watch. Or actually listen and close your eyes and imagine a gun. It sounds like a machine gun actually.